Laplepat ba ya kapatogan neng Minja Sangma Athletics Stadium ha Tura nin kasi thoding. Ya ka stadium la ay nam ha kakerteng jong unong ya kon latlut upatogan Sangma. Kajinglot bantay ya ka stadium kabalong katkum kanika jukmenta kalong kanriw pon not ar klur tengka. Hakas ngipli ya katika stadium laya don lang umintri rang ba kajela u Konrad ke Sangma bat kiwe ki hekihan. Kanika stadium kadon ya limpung Ialehkai mare ba pratali ki track ni ki synthetic athletic track ki biyaha bat kiwe ki limpung ya ko mare jong kiri ka perthai bat kan don ru ya ka administrative block. Latay ya kanika stadium nakabenta ban nang kham kintiu shu ya ki sap ki pong bat kajing tibet jong ki nong Ialehkai mare. Habakren ha katiga sngi umintri rang ba kajela usang ma uloong. Ba kajing tay ya kanika stadium kalong omtang ban penyo ya kijing job bat ya kitakma Henry ka sarkar kalabay tengkaru ban kentiu ya kikam yale sports ha kishnong kithau ha kaba ansnaru sa kumba palat ars patli ki jaka Ialehkai ha kajing lot kaba sans paklur tengka.
We know you all are hungry, starving, but
just to share with all of you that there is a second phase for this project. So in the second phase, we are expecting to put up a full gallery out there with certain shops and certain areas for rooms and facilities so that this place can be used for many other programs and not just sports programs, but even if possible, if the technology and the rules allow, then even other events in the long run so that we can get the maximum utility from the infrastructure and the investments that have been made in this particular place.